Hi everyone, I'm Alicia, and today I'm joined by Julio of Studio Suite. Julio, how are you doing today?
Doing well, thank you, Alicia. How are you?
Doing great. So in this week's video, we are going to be doing another live demonstration. We've been doing some of those and we have some more to come. And this week we're focusing on the project management module within Studio Suite. So I'm just going to turn that over to you. Let's see the demo.
Thank you, Alicia. So yes, this is just a brief sneak peek of this module. We're going to be covering these a little bit more in depth on our weekly webinars. So please stay tuned for those and write us a note if you want to get the link, or you can find the link also on Twitter or on our website. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen now so we can get started. This is the home screen that you see once you open up Studio Suite. Over here, we have the projects that are happening today, line items associated with those projects that you can see on the left. We also have our tasks and follow-ups. So this is always good to keep you updated on the events that are happening today. So when we talk about project management, we're talking about managing your rooms, your people, equipment, work, and putting it all together in one place. So there's two aspects when we talk about project management in Studio Suite. One of them is the production aspect, and the other one is the projects. So think of a production as a big container that contains a lot of projects. Maybe to give you a quick visual or an idea of it, we can use Ozark just as an example. So let's say that we are a company that's producing some B-roll or maybe some of the episodes for Ozark. So the production would be Ozark. Let's see, maybe this is the 4th season and we're building the episodes. So Ozark is a show and these episodes would be the projects. So if I click on any of these, it'll take me to the projects module where I can see the line items. A lot of these, you can choose to show or collapse as well. From over here, once you're in the project, you can see the specific dates and times for any of these line items. I'm going to go ahead and expand this so you can see. You can change this from right here. So if I want to start at 10 a.m., I can do so. Just save it. You can change it globally for every single line item. You can change the statuses. You can see the rates as well. And if we go to view totals, we can also see our pretty much our P&L, profit and loss, and how much we're making, how much we're charging our client, any discounts and other information, other financial data. So also in the projects module, we can see any tasks that have been assigned to this project. We can see notes, talent. We even have a call sheet available here. We can also see which media assets are being used in this particular project. We can have attachments where you can attach PDFs. We can also create reports. So it's a very, very powerful module for you to keep track of your projects and do project management. Anything that you can create in the projects module is going to be reflected back in the calendar module. So that's another really cool feature. You can also create projects from within the calendar. So right here, we can see that today we have a BMW promo video shoot, and we can see some of the different resources involved. So it looks like we're using a studio, a camera, and we have Tina and Jim assigned to that. And if we scroll down, we can see some of the tasks and schedules.
So it sounds like it really has everything. It's all in one place and it really has it all.
Yes, yes. So this is a very quick sneak peek. So I guess if you would need some more information, feel free to email us, or we can also schedule a one-on-one demo with you so we can show you more of this in depth. So back to you, Alicia.
All right, Julio, thanks so much for showing us that. That really gave us another in-depth look at another part of the software. So as Julio said, if you'd like to find out more about Studio Suite, you can get in touch with them. You can give them a call at the number on the screen, send an email to info@studiosuite.com, or just visit the website and make sure that you're liking, subscribing, and following them on all social media. Thanks again, Julio.
Thank you, Alicia.